Let's see if I can get proof of this. That makes me feel good. I don't know why I couldn't tell you why, but that's pretty cool. I got the proof.
The proof is in the pudding.
And that's the second time they landed on me, by the way. I'm glad I had the courage to get the phone and to see if it would do it again, and it did. It was just chilling for the second time. Open up. Open up. What people gonna do for wings? Hello? Open up. People want to see the wings, man. Oh, girl. Fine. 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 I'm still waiting, though. Fine. It's okay. Is there somewhere else you want to be? Besides with me, because I got to go soon. The people want to see the wings, though. Fine. Fine. Yeah, listen. It's not listening to me. Still there. Oh, there you go. I moved a little bit, so it moved. Hold on. I'll move again. Okay, when I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Yeah. When I move, you move. Yeah. If you don't know about that song, now you know, ninja. When I move, you move. Okay. Oh, you just got used to it, huh? Oh. What is it doing? What is it doing? All right, I'm gonna shoot for number 3. Trying to get it on my hand. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I want to do. Let's see. There it is. There it is. Y'all saw that? I think it's gone. Hold on. I gotta experiment with this. This never happened to me in my 39 years of living. And if it has, I don't remember as a baby if it happened. It's on the ground, it's chilling. I'm gone, man, that's cool. Y'all got to see it, the proof is there. Yay, yay! $527, Kobe. Elevation. Can you get elevated? Can you elevate? Can we elevate? Of course we can. That's a rhetorical question. Welcome back to For Life University, where we get down, clown around, ups and downs, smiles and frowns. This is life, and I'm living. I was about to listen to music again. One of my favorite songs at the moment, Real, by Kendrick Lamar. Sing my song, it's all for you. Sing my song, it's all for you. Sing my song, it's all for you. But then, intuition, and something said, nah, listen to the creation. And it made me think. To be thankful for ears, thankful for music. Because before music, before instruments, this is all humans had. It was the sound of creation. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful, peaceful sound. It's wonderful music. This was first. The sound of nature. And then I started thinking, who was the first person that was like, who was the first person that was beatboxing? We'll never know. Unless there's a way to find out, but other than that, shout out to the first person that was like, yeah, hello, and use their mouth to beatbox. Happy birthday to you. You in here. Thinking about my journey of trading, going within, questioning myself, trying to figure out what am I doing, what am I going to do, facing the fear, facing the guilt, facing the grief. A lot of failure has been accumulated. Which I heard, makes you appreciate it more. Hard work and failure helps you to appreciate what you succeed at even more. So that's that. Something that I wanted to be a secret, that I thought about having it to be a secret, the fact that that's a career of mine, that I chose a path, trading. But it's not a secret, especially with these videos, and if I put them out, it's not a secret. But it's something that you can keep a secret. Anyway, I come to the conclusion that continuing to learn the skill and practice and to trade with small amounts of money while I continue to learn the skill and practice, there's nothing to lose in doing that. Nothing. But a whole lot to gain. Y'all see that smile? Y'all see that smile? Because I'm pretty sure, once the skill starts to show, that's what's going to show. Smiling ear to ear. Until I'm just used to it. And then it'll just, be a peaceful, nonchalant smile. Like I'm just living life. I done passed that moment. This is what I do now. This is what I do. So that's the conclusion. And maybe that will help me to continue. My routine has been shot to shit, shot to hell, since I have been let go from Memorial Hermann and been driving Uber and just trying to figure out the schedule, because it's like, yeah, you can work anytime you want. But if you're trying to do something else, and you want to do something else, and you have other goals, a routine will help. I believe a routine will help. Some type of routine. You don't need some type of routine. So, the routine is just shot to hell right now. It's bothering me. It's bothersome. It was giving me an excuse not to continue to practice the skill. But now, man, I have to face myself, face the issues, face the challenges. Because, I can't forget that I've been doing that for years and failed at that for years, and to just stop, I'm gonna know I stopped. But the question is gonna be like, why did I stop? Is it because was I at peace for stopping? Well, if I stop, am I at peace with it? Or did I just quit? And why did I quit? Again, things need answers. It's facing it. That can be challenging and tough and hard and scary. But it takes courage to do it. So salute to you for even looking into it, asking yourself some hard questions, or just asking yourself questions that will help you. They don't have to necessarily be hard, but the fact that you ask yourself questions, the fact that you think, salute to you for using the brain that God gave you, the brain that you was born with, the brain that's meant to be used. But I'm back at the, I'm back. I made it back to the whip, to red. Might do a little Ubering, not sure. It's for a little bit. If I do, we'll see how it goes. But that's the spill for this day, in time and moment in life, on this earth, this planet, this globe, or this flat earth. I don't know. I'm just glad to be in it. I'm glad that I'm existing. It's cool to get to experience whatever the fuck this is, and whatever the fuck y'all want to call it. It's cool. It's a cool experience. It's a cool ass opportunity. Got to do some good, got to do some bad, whatever you want to call good and whatever you want to call bad, because some of the things that was bad felt pretty damn great. Am I supposed to lie? I didn't think so. I didn't think so.
Ooh, look at that beautiful hand.
I thought it was on. Okay. We on now, we ready. Say ready. Ready, set, go. We can stay ready. You ain't gotta get ready. Y'all ready? I'm ready. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Y'all ready? Andy Minio, what's up? I can do better. You can do better. We can do better. For life. We in here. We in this thing together. And that's something we all can do on this journey for life as it continues.
Circle of life.
Everything gets better. This is something that we were not in before. We did not start off being in something like this called a vehicle. We didn't have things like this called accessories that we can put on ourselves. Straight naked. Didn't have things like this, so this is proof. This is proof that we can do better. We can make things better, and we can do better. Get the cheddar. Throw some music on my life.